Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're breaking down Affinity Designer versus Affinity Photo so you know exactly which one to buy. So let's jump right in. Now, I have a quick answer here. If you need a photo editing program, something to replace Photoshop, GIMP, or Pixelmator, then Affinity Photo is what you want. But if you're looking for a vector drawing app to replace Illustrator, Inkscape, then Affinity Designer is the better choice for you. But let's make it even simpler. If your goal is things like removing acne, replacing skies, editing photos, creating HDR images, or developing RAW files, then Affinity Photo is the right tool. It's built for photography and advanced image manipulation. But if you want to create custom artwork from scratch, design icons, logos, mockups, business cards, or interface layouts, then Affinity Designer is your best friend. It's optimized for clean vector design work. Now, here's where it gets a little confusing. Both apps overlap a bit. Designer can do very basic photo edits, and Photo can make simple graphics. But just because they can doesn't mean they're the right tool for those jobs. Each one has its own specialty. So if you're still unsure, the good news is both apps offer free trials. So you can test them out yourself before you buy. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.